Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Amaizat Pinkai Riza and my supervisor name is Dr. Sandra Catherine. I'm making this video to share about my final year project. The title for my final year project is Molecular Detection of Megalecity Virus in Neon Tetra, or its scientific name is Paracharodon inaceae. Move the introduction of chapter 1. For introduction, people reared ornamental fish as their hobby, and some individuals breed it for their source of income. Over 2,500 species were involved in the global ornamental fish industry, and most of fish is from freshwater species. Currently, there are 623 ornamental fish exported in Malaysia, according to the Department of Fisheries in 2017. Move to the problem statement. No study on Neon Tetra has been done in Malaysia, and in Malaysia, infection of IS-KNV has been reported in genus Megalecity virus. Objective for this study to detect present and absence of Megalecity virus in Neon Tetra, and as you can see from figure 1.1, it is general structure for Megalecity virus. Move to the literature review, chapter 2. Figure 2.1 shows us external morphology of Neon Tetra, and table 2.1 shows us taxonomy of Neon Tetra. And move to the Megalecity virus. Megalecity virus is a DNA virus that discovered from Iridoviridae family. There are three major groups of Megalecity virus, which is IS-KNV, RSIV, and TRBIV. For the chapter 3, methodology. This is a method that I've done for the study. First, sampling, then sample processing, DNA extraction, PCR analysis, gel electrophoresis, gel extraction and DNA sequencing, and lastly, phylogenetic analysis. The sample processing was conducted according to the Zenatan et al. 2017. For chapter 4, result and discussion. For the gross observation of Paracharodon inaceae sample, no clinical sign were observed in all of the sample. The average body weight for the sample was 0.20 gram. The average body length for the sample were 1.85 cm. As you can see from figure 4.1, it is a natural sample that we collected from ornamental fish farm in Senai, Johor. This is my result for primary PCR analysis. For the discussion for this study, Megalecity virus were absent in sample of Paracharodon inaceae that were collected from Johor. All of the sample did not show any external and internal clinical sign. There was no band appear for each pool sample, including negative control. Usually, primary PCR did not show any band because it is less sensitive compared to the nested PCR. This is a previous study. Previous study for Megalecity virus in Paracharodon inaceae. It has been reported that Paracharodon inaceae is one of the carrier Megalecity virus in ornamental fish, reported by John et al. 2008. As you can see from table 4.1, it is detection Megalecity virus in Paracharodon according to John et al. 2008. For the Megalecity virus in ornamental fish in Malaysia, this study showed that samples were found to be negative for the presence of Megalecity virus, contrary to other reports. Although there are no Megalecity virus in Paracharodon inaceae species, but Megalecity virus have been recorded in ornamental fish in Malaysia. Most of the investigative species for Malaysia, it was conducted by using freshwater ornamental fish. This is a detection of Megalecity virus in ornamental fish in Malaysia, as you can see from the table. For population, this study has proven that collected Paracharodon inaceae sample were free from Megalecity virus infection by screening with primary PCR. Further study must be conducted to obtain more information on Megalecity virus in Paracharodon in the sea to ensure Paracharodon in the sea in Malaysia were free from Merkel-City virus. The spread of infection Merkel-City virus in fish should be reduced to minimize total loss for farmer because of a fish mortality. Networking with any professional fish herd is recommended for farmer. As you can see, this is my Gantt chart for final year project, and lastly reference. And that's all from me. Thank you.